this one? 31. Yep, 31, and the other one's 26.
And you the baby.
I'm the baby. Well, I have a little brother actually. He lives in Boston. He's about 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
So man, how I feel? 1 million views out here, bro.
Man, it's been a weird past 4 months. Very weird, but it's kind of like you prepare for these moments,
Yeah.
but you never know when it's gonna hit. You
Right.
know, and I think just with social media, it's just one of them one-time things that just happens, and it's like, all right, well, we ready, let's roll. Let's just rock with it. So yeah, it's been a lesson, so many lessons, man. So many lessons.
What's the lesson that pokes out so far? Like, what's the?
She'll be back. Whoever she is,
they all will be back.
They always come back. Yeah, that's been like the biggest lesson.
Yeah.
But then just like seeing people interacting differently. But some people coming out the woodwork and doing things that are like actually that are beneficial to the big picture. Like
yeah.
So that's, I guess, social media allowed me to just be connected with a certain community. Like so it was my first time in LA last weekend.
Word.
So I went out there and actually was doing some work with for Disney Channel.
Say what?
Yeah.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you, man.
Dang.
Writing some songs for I guess a show that's in development. So
what?
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
But that's social media, dude.
Oh, they came across you over there.
So this is what happened. The one of the Disney stars, her mom is a big fan or whatever, and so she was